Welcome to Bangkok. We are at the Hilton. We're gonna walk now over to Terminal 21 Mall, which is over there, opposite. But you know what? It looks close, but it is not close. Because you cannot cross the streets here. Uh-oh. You can't cross the street here. At least not legally. Or easily. Yeah, because they drive pretty fast here in Thailand. Especially this street is a very popular, very important street here, and sometimes there's really, oh my God, that is like a very, very old Vespa, and he's like ripping it like crazy, dude. They love speed here. They love high speed racing through the city of Bangkok. I think I heard something that they're planning to do a Formula 1 through Bangkok. Yeah, it's going to be very interesting. I think it has the charm to do that, because some of those tuk-tuk drivers are also racing people. But you can hear absolutely no honking, reffing and quick drivers. What does not make sense to me is those delivery drivers with the hardcore exhaustion pipe. Like, yo, you gotta drive so much around the neighborhoods, you should not be that loud. But yeah, this is where Marcus had his burger yesterday. On the top, on the rooftop. And then there's the Soy Cowboy. You wanna go to Soy Cowboy, baby? Huh? He's just smiling. This is a brand new hotel, I think, or Solaria. I'm not sure. I think I saw it online. It was pretty expensive, if I'm not wrong. Some kind of hotel there was pretty expensive. I'm not sure which one it was. This is our 7-Eleven now, always very small. This is also an interesting hotel, 21 Hotel. I saw it often on Agoda. Those are the old buses of Bangkok. But I've actually seen some very modern ones. So they actually are renovating the public transport. This is Soy Cowboy at the daytime. This is also where they filmed Hangover 2. Inside there.
Yeah.
They filmed Hangover 2. This is the metro, or the MRT it's called. We're gonna walk through that. Last time we were standing there for like 7 minutes, so I'd rather go out under it. Here in Thailand, everything is on the left side, just like the UK or Australia. It's nice and cool down there. But it is not that hot now when it's no sunshine, then it's actually okay. And this is also what Marcus and I have a lot now, the high protein shakes. Very nice. We need that too. I'm still trying to find those shoes in my size. I really want to have them too. But they don't have it. They have the biggest is 11 UK and I have 12 UK. So we're still on a look for it. It's so hard to get shoes for me. But I really want to have some new shoes there. So this is the MRT here. And here you go up to the BTS or the Terminal 21 Mall. Everything is very easy here. And they also tell you exactly where you are. BTS Asok station, you have to go one up. Also, those ones are a little bit quicker, so everything goes a little bit faster. Since there are so many people now at the moment, you might think, okay, bro, where are all the people? It's afternoonish. Afternoon, it's always empty. But in 1 hour, this will be packed. And I saw it packed the other day. So it's just now. It's afternoon time. People are at work or have a nap or something. But sunset time, oh boy, it's gonna be packed. Lots of advertising here everywhere. This is a curved screen advertising. How crazy is that? Shopee. Are you happy already seeing your Shopee? No? Shopee is, I don't know. This is an app my wife has more open than TikTok. All right, now we gotta go here to the Terminal 21. Let's see if we can meet Marcus somewhere. I'm gonna text him now. So here you see the Hilton. This is where we just walked. Just gonna text Marcus real quick. He should be somewhere and getting some shoes. And Marcus is a guy, he buys shoes, then buys new socks, and then throws away his old shoes and his old socks. He's very efficient. No need to travel heavy. All right. Maybe he's downstairs, baby. Downstairs here, it is. And we have to go downstairs here, and then most likely Marcus will be there, but I'm not sure. I still have to check if he texted back. Hold on, where is he? He's at Sports World. Maybe it's upstairs there. Oh no, okay. Also, do you see this? Pop Mart. Sports World was there, right? So the place I thought he will go is downstairs here, but he's upstairs, baby. He's at Sports World. All right, guys, let's go upstairs to Sports World where Marcus is looking for shoes. Oh, look at this. Lots of shopping. We gotta go one more up. And this is the crazy thing. The Pop Mart where the Labubu things are, they literally have 2 security guys. Can you imagine? 2 security guys just to protect the Labubus. Even though I really love Terminal 21, but I think it's not the best here. It is the best for cheap foods, but I think in Bangkok, I would say I would go Central. In Pattaya, I like Terminal 21 more. In Pattaya, Terminal 21, that's the place to be. Here is hard because lots of competition, you know. But yeah, one more up. I still love the food court here, but as a vacation, if you do just vacation in the city, I would just go for any place I want to eat, you know. So we are now going into the 2nd floor. Yesterday we already checked out Foot Locker. Yeah, I don't have anything. I want to have my Essex shoes, but I don't even think the Essex store, I don't even know, there's no Essex store here, I believe. I hope I'm wrong and I see one. But I don't think so. We're gonna go now to Sports World. Gonna film a little bit from the German video. Fair text shop. Every floor and every area has a different theme, all about famous cities in the world. Maybe I should check out Decathlon. They have shoes there too. Continue, yeah. Lots of Puma and Adidas. More running shoes. I need dad shoes. Somewhere here Marcus has to be. Let's see if we find him. Huh. He's still looking. I already see him. This is actually his area, the Crocs. The crocodile. Did you find something?
Yeah. I wanted to test this one because whatever.
I don't understand why he likes Under Armour so much. What is this? This is your shoe?
I thought it is, but look at the price. It's 6,000.
Look, this one is good.
Puma.
Too massive.
Huh?
It's
Too big?
I think it's it's too heavy. Oh no, it's not heavy, but I
Try
think
it.
it's not the best. I like this one more, but it's 6,000 pesos. But 6,000 pesos would be better.
Under Armour.
Yeah, but it's 6,000. Yeah. It's a lot. And then they have these 20%.
6,000 baht, that's crazy.
Yeah, for a shoe.
Yeah.
But when I use it probably for 1 year or 2 years and calculate it per day of usage and everything, maybe it's worth it. But yeah. And then I wanted to have an Essex, but they didn't have my 42.
Oh yeah, this would be perfect. This is like a typical tennis shoe.
Yeah.
Baby, is this your shoe? No, right? Almost.
Very similar. It's like reverse of the color. We bought this in Fokker, right?
What is the biggest size here? 11. UK 11.
Same size.
They don't have big. They don't have big size. The hawkers are strong in here. But yeah, it's just so stupid to buy those expensive shoes here. I think in the West it's way more cheaper. Because in the Western world you have good deals. Asia don't have good deals, even though it's produced here. I really like those ones. Light Strike. Okay, Marcus. Mission completed.
Yes, finally. Ich habe das Gott sei Dank doch noch welche gefunden, weil ich war nicht so begeistert.
English, man.
Oh, it's
Yeah, now it's English.
so that was all the words was for today.
Okay. All the German words for today.
So I'm happy. I found my shoes and my new socks.
Now you're a professional pickleball athlete.
Yeah. Let's say athlete. Where we go? Where we are going?
I want
Where
to
do
go to
we go?
Even Boy. You can go to the perfect.
What is it? Pretzels? I don't understand women. They literally go in there and spend like 1 or 2 hours in this nightmare. My God.
I have no idea.
I just want to have a drink somewhere.
But to be honest, I really don't know where it's a bank, an ATM. I saw one in the
There's a whole area for ATMs, or like a bank places. But I think they should have somewhere. We should walk into one. Usually they have bank ATMs also around the toilets.
But I hurt myself. when
Oh,
I put
no.
the shoes on.
Jesus, that's deep, dude.
Yeah,
Ooh.
they teared off my skin.
Oh my god. That's a burn busara, spicy yum. Let's look out for ATM.
Santa Fe.
There's ATM.
Yeah, let's do this. Siam commercial.
They take a lot of money anyways. Everyone. They all take 240 baht anyways.
So it's always the same, right?
It's always the same.
Okay, then let me transfer money first.
250 baht nowadays.
What is that?
Yeah, it's still okay, but it's
It's more than 7 euros.
It's more than before.
Wow.
It's okay. It was usually 240 if I'm not wrong, or 220. Now it's 250. Greed, Siam Commercial Bank.
Oh, my money.
6,000 baht.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Now we are 6,000 baht richer. So
Now
it's
we-
3,000 for you and 3,000 for me.
Now we can go on a nice little soy cowboy run. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.